Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and today I have another unboxing video for all of you. I actually purchased this product from the Louis Vuitton website. It has been out of stock for quite a while, and when I saw it available, I jumped on it to purchase. This is the Louis Vuitton Passport cover in Monogram canvas. The product number is M64502. It has 4 credit card slots and 2 flying pockets for easy access to your passport. The dimensions of this product is 4.1 by 5.5 by 0.2 inches. Currently, the retail price of this product is $345. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!